Welcome to the first session of the module Beginning Mobile Application Development. In this session, you will understand the current scenario of mobile application development and the requirements for developing a mobile application. Meet Nathan. He has a busy day ahead. He kickstarts his day by jogging for half an hour while listening to music. He starts the music player app to enjoy his favorite music and uses a pedometer app to track his progress. Back home, he cooks his breakfast using a quick new recipe he found the other day on a recipe finder app on his mobile. He enjoys his breakfast and then gets ready for work. He has a busy day ahead and has his meetings and tasks for the day updated on his calendar app. He uses an organizer app to prioritize his tasks. He also manages some transactions in his bank account using the banking app. His first meeting is in a location of the city he is not too familiar with. However, his navigator app makes it easy to find the way and reach on time. The meeting goes well. He has a presentation ready on his mobile and is able to show his client the online catalog of latest products his company is working on through an app on his mobile. He comes back to office and completes the rest of the meetings and tasks. Towards the end of the day, he quickly connects with some of his close friends on the Instant Messenger app and catches up with them in a new restaurant in the city. He is able to read the reviews of the restaurant and even book a table through his mobile. Once back home, he winds up the day reading his favorite book on his iPad. Have you noticed how the various mobile applications on Nathan's mobile make his life easy? How many of you have used the Facebook, WhatsApp, Kindle, or Amazon apps recently? All these applications are a part of the mobile revolution that has made our lives interesting and comfortable. No wonder mobile application development is one of the most sought-after occupations today. To start developing a mobile application, you need to first know what mobile applications are and what the requirements for mobile application development are. Let's first understand what mobile applications are. Mobile applications are small software applications designed to be run on handheld devices, such as smartphones, tablets, and feature phones. These applications allow businesses to expand into far-reach markets, serve customers with relevant offers, and help businesses get more popularity by providing offers and discounts, and help offer services based on customer preferences. Broadly, all mobile applications can be divided into four types: mobile web, native, hybrid, and cross-platform. Mobile web applications work across platforms and are not specific to any particular device. You will require a website for hosting mobile web applications and a web browser for opening these applications. Native applications are device-specific applications that you can access without a web connection. To use these on different devices, you need to create separate versions. Hybrid applications are device-specific applications written using web technologies, such as HTML5 and JavaScript. These applications are installed locally and are hence faster compared to web applications. Some examples of hybrid applications are Facebook, TuneIn Radio, and LinkedIn. Cross-platform applications are applications that can run on multiple computer platforms. You can use a programming language such as Java or HTML5 to write code for such applications. Developing a mobile application requires some tools. So, the first step towards developing a mobile application is to understand these tools. An application environment is a set of libraries, services, application programming interfaces, APIs, and frameworks required for developing an application. Generally, an application environment includes Integrated Development Environment, or IDE, Software Development Kit, or SDK, repositories, programming language, and Application Programming Interface, or API. IDE acts as an interface for developers to pick the tools required to create a web application. An IDE typically includes an editor, a debugger, a compiler, and a linker. Some commonly used IDEs are Eclipse, Visual Studio, and Xcode. Eclipse is an open-source platform. It can run on multiple platforms and provide additional plugins to enhance functionality. A plugin refers to a set of software components used to extend the functionality of an application. Visual Studio, developed by Microsoft, supports most of the popular programming languages. It can be used to develop applications for the Windows Phone platform. Xcode contains a set of programming tools for the Apple platform. You therefore will need this platform for developing iOS applications. Next, let us discuss Software Development Kit, or SDK. It is a collection of components, including header files and library. The most popular SDKs are Java Development Kit, or JDK, which is for Java, Android Developer Tools, or ADT, which is for Android, and Microsoft Silverlight, which is used for developing web applications. Microsoft provides Windows 8 SDK to promote development in the Windows 8 platform. It can be downloaded from Microsoft's official website. Now, let us discuss repositories. A repository is a central storage location that helps in handling platform inconsistency. Repositories act as online libraries of code and help in versioning of the code. In addition, repositories help in updating the development environment when the development is distributed. Now, let us discuss programming languages. To develop an application, it is imperative to select the correct programming language. While selecting a programming language, you should consider the scope of the project. Different mobile platforms support different languages. The iOS platform of the iPhone device, developed by Apple, supports Objective-C. The Android platform in all Android devices, developed by Google, uses Java. The Windows Phone platform in Windows-based smartphones supports C#. This platform was developed by Microsoft. The Symbian platform in Nokia smartphones developed by Nokia supports Java. Finally, let us discuss Application Programming Interface, or API. An API is a collection of pre-written procedures that allows interaction between programs. For example, use of a camera application involves routines, such as clicking photo, zooming the lens, and using the flash. A web application requires a web API to browse the internet, add a website to the favorites list, and use the history feature to view accessed sites. In the next video, we will look at smartphones and their various features and platforms.